Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this beautiful 2015 Infiniti Q50 that we have for sale. This was an off-lease vehicle that was returned at our store. We opted to buy it from Infiniti. Beautiful local one-owner clean Carfax Q50 like this. We certainly want to jump at the opportunity to have this for our inventory. It's a unique model, very nice color combination in Hagane Blue on wheat leather. Probably you'll find 70% of the Infiniti Q50s have the dark graphite interior, which is black. Wheat is a little bit more of a rare color, and the Hagane Blue is also a rare color too. I'll show you that beautiful color when we move towards the outside. This one has the upgraded leather seating package versus leatherette. That was an extra cost feature. Navigation package, has a rear parking camera. Has a dual display system. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Heated seats, 7-speed automatic transmission with adaptive shift control for better acceleration at every turn or corner or when accelerating up a hill. You can put it in manual shift mode for rev match downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. You have a drive mode selector to tailor the transmission, stability control, throttle sensitivity to the type of driving situation. Automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, moonroof, steering wheel tilts and telescopes. This one only has 25,110 miles at the time of making this video. Very low mileage for 2015. Most people average between 10, 12, 15,000 miles a year. This one also has a Bose premium audio system, which is a nice feature for you music lovers. Hagane Blue is a steel blue. Hagane means steel in Japanese. It's one of my favorite colors. This one also has a 19-inch sport wheel and tire package. These are normally the wheels that you get in the sport model of the Q50. It's a nice compromise because of the sport tune suspension. The ride isn't as stiff, but with those 19-inch wheels, it definitely looks a lot better, in my opinion, than the stock 17 or the stock 17-inch wheels. This particular Q50 is a rear-wheel drive model. You see a lot of all-wheel drive models in our area. Why would you want rear-wheel drive? Oh, someone forgot to vacuum out the trunk. We'll have to send that one back to detail. Rear-wheel drive, obviously, if we live in the Puget Sound area, for the most part, aside from this past week, we don't have much snow, so we have a great traction stability control system. You're going to do just fine in the greater Puget Sound area, of course, unless we get those rare snow occurrences. You get better gas mileage with rear-wheel drive. You have it's a little bit sportier feel. It weighs less. It weighs about 200 pounds less. You're going to get a little bit better gas mileage. You're going to have lower maintenance costs, so you don't have to worry about servicing an all-wheel drive system. And then, of course, it's going to be a lower price point than a comparable all-wheel drive model. So obviously, if that works for you, the rear-wheel drive version of the Q50 will work great. If you do drive in the snow, go over those snowy winter passes, and of course, you're going to want to look at an all-wheel drive model. The heart of the Q50 is an award-winning VQ37 engine, makes about 330 horsepower, maintenance-free timing chains, so you don't have to worry about the cost of replacement of timing belts. First major tune-up's not until 105,000 miles. This one features a lifetime warranty. The benefit of buying a vehicle from us, our select pre-owned Infinitis have lifetime warranties on the powertrain, and that's good at any Infiniti store, not just us. This one also comes with a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you do value Japanese build quality, the Q50 is built and assembled in Japan. It shares the same platform with the Nissan 370Z, so it's a very fun sport luxury vehicle. Come in, take it for a spin. I think you'll be very impressed.